Really, the point of today is to bring career awareness to the manufacturing industry here in Broken Arrow. We have over 300 manufacturers currently in our city, and it's a valuable part of our economy. And so, there's a lot of times that students and people in general don't know that they have career opportunities here. I mean, there's over 7,000 people employed in manufacturing alone, with an average wage of over $75,000. And so a lot of people don't know that. And that's a different career path that we want to make sure students know that is available to them.
I've been working for Blue Bell almost 30 years, and I was looking for good product, good people, and stability, and that's what I found. So I encourage them to stay in school, get their education, and make good decisions. That decision was a career path into manufacturing. I told them that their thoughts, their desires, it's like a light, and they need to turn that light on to make innovation for the next generation.
I really liked that there were people and videos that we could talk to the real people, answer questions or anything. I really like machining and welding, and that was an interest. We can weld pipelines for oil and stuff. You can make a lot of money out of just a few simple hours or machining, and you just focus on your job, work 3 days out of a week sometimes.
It goes back to that career awareness message, but it's really options. I want students, and I know we want students to understand that here in Broken Arrow, you don't have to go somewhere else to find a great job. I think there's some misnomers about manufacturing in general, and those, you could be in HR, you could be in production, there's a lot of different things that students can do right here in Broken Arrow, and we want them to know that there are valuable jobs here with livable wages, and we love them to stay in our city. So.